dide ogun gbala ge orúkọ Jésù ga fún ọjọ́ ọ̀la tàrí lónìí o tí Michael mímọ́ balógun Michael mímọ́ balógun ṣamọ̀nà ẹgbẹ́ wa dópin bá wa ṣẹ́gun Lucifer.
This is the time you walk in the light of who you are. This is the time you become the bearer of light and not the killer of lights. This is the time you illuminate and brighten the hearts and paths of men. This is the time your light shines beyond Ashoadura and Oyealadura. Because you are the creation of a realm that's beyond this universe. You are victorious, not because of your skills, but because He fights for you and holds your peace. But remember, some battles may need you to sharpen your sword. Hold the fort and stand on the solid rock. No more sleeping beauty, the prince has come. Enough of the oppressed Cinderella in a flowing garment. Rise up, awaken the warrior in you. Prepare your war room. This showroom is just an illusion. A lion is a dead meat if it roars but trembles before a chicken. Don't forget, your father is mighty in battle. He is Arogumasa. Balogunile Balogunlode. So grab your mantle and stop the rattle. Michael Olusegun kò kí n ṣe ajagun má ṣẹ́gun. But where is your stand on this Armageddon? Are you for Christ or against him? Kida Michael má bàa bye.